is a story problem again. Boy Ta leaves school at 2:45 p.m. He eats dinner at 6:30 p.m. How much time passed between when he left school and ate dinner? So I will box in some important things. Okay, he leaves school at 2:45 p.m. Okay, he leaves school at 2:45 p.m. He eats dinner at 6:30 p.m. Okay, what it asked me is how much time has passed. Okay, so I want to know how much time has passed. So I have a line here, so I can draw a line to figure out, because I know when it is start and when it is end. So I know it started 2:45, so I will put my 2:45 here, 2:45 p.m. And then I know when is end. The end is 6:30. You finish at 6:30. We want to know how much is take between this time, okay? So to figure out this, I have to round up the closest hour. So 2:45, the closest hour is 3 o'clock. So I will make my 3 o'clock right here. This is 3 o'clock. Okay? So I need to figure out how long it takes. 2:45 to 3 o'clock. I know 2:45 to 3 o'clock, it takes 5, 10, 15 minutes, okay? Take 15 minutes, so I will write 15 minutes here. I'll just write MI and then stand for minutes. So I know it's 3 o'clock, okay? Now I need to think about 6:30. I will round up the nearest hour to 6:30, which is 6 o'clock. Okay, so I'll put my 6 o'clock here. 6 o'clock. Okay, I need to figure out between these two numbers how much time. Okay, so 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So how many hours, Tung Tung? How many hours? 3 hours. So let's do again. 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 3 hours. It takes 3 hours here to here. 3 hours. Okay? Now I'm not finished yet. I need to figure out what time. 6 to 6:30. So I know that 6 to 6:30 that take, look, this is 6 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock. 6 to 6:30. It take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It take 30 minutes. Now I'm not finished yet. I need to add the hour and add the minutes. Okay, so these are minutes. This is minute. This is hour. So 3 hour. Okay, 3 hour, and I need to figure out how many minutes. So 30 plus 15, which is equal 5, 4, which is 45 minutes. Okay, so it takes 3 hours and 45 minutes between this time. Okay? Okay, let's do the next one. Sung is driving to Chicago. She leaves at 4:50 a.m. She arrives at 9:20 a.m. How long did she drive? So we need to figure out. So I have to important information. Okay, so she's driving to Chicago. She leaves at 4:50 a.m. and she arrives at 9:20 a.m. So I know when it starts and I know when it ends. Okay, how long did she drive? We need to know how long did she drive. Okay, so here we know the start time. The start time is 9:20 a.m. and we know the end. Sorry, 4. It should be 4. She started at 4:50. 4:50. She started at 4:50. She started 4:50. She ended 9:20. She ended 9:20. Okay, how long does she take? Okay, how long does she drive? So we have to round the closest to hour. So 4:50 is closest to 5 o'clock. So I'll put my 5 o'clock here. 5 o'clock. How much time is between here? So 5:50, 55, 60, which is 5 o'clock. So it takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes, okay? So I need to round up to the closest hour to 9:20. Nazi pukwa hi ai nei nak pik akan. Nazi pukwa le min pukul hi ai nei nak pik nazi akan. Round up how? But to do 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, okay? Maka le maka karhi nazi please da rag ti mikha katwak tan how? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 hours. 4 hours, okay? But to continue, 9 o'clock in 9:20 yaka minute pa sa da rag diatun. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, 20 minutes around. Kadunin katyang he 20 minutes around. Okay, atu tu minutes la minutes kakampong lai. Muskotun hour kakampong la mo. Okay, so 4 hour, 4 o'clock, which is 4 o'clock, and we have 20 minutes here, 10 minutes here. 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay, so 4 hours and 30 minutes. So it takes 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Let's practice some more. Okay. You start your school at 8:50 and then you have lunch at 11:45. So let's figure out how long is that 2 different times. So you start in the morning 8:50 and then you finish your lunch as you start eating at 11:45. So how long does it take between these 2 times? Okay, so we know the start number, which is 8:50. We know the end number, which is 11:45. Okay, we need to figure out how long does this take. So we need to round up to the nearest hour. I need big enough nazin can round apply. I need big enough 8:50, so I need big enough 9 o'clock. See, it's 9 o'clock. Okay, we need to figure out between this time. Okay, 8:50, 8:55. 8:60, which is 9 o'clock. That means 10 minutes. Let's take 10 minutes. Okay. Atusu nazi play katlam nisom linga atkan. Anai big ni nazi kan round up how. Play katlam minisom linga anai big ni su nazi play katsi. Jatun nazi play katiran tialai. Nazi pakwan nazi play kat kan lakha. Pasay zata round timi kan golai. Nazi pakwa Brusha, like cut. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, now we still need to figure out this is the around Lay cut in, lay cut you something up, so I feel to me just go, something the banga around. Okay, this can fund these on an visit around the hours can light 2 hours, that means 2 o'clock, 2 hours, and now we need to add minutes. Minute can foot the more. 10 plus 45. 0 plus 5 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 55 minutes. Okay. You have lunch at 11:45 and you finish school at 3:35. Finish time to 3:35. Okay. We have to round up the nearest hour. Nazi and that me click at the ane big me Nazi and round up the more. Makaka Nazi which is 12 o'clock. Okay. Let's figure out between this number, this time to this time. 11:45, 55. Sorry, 45, 50. 55, 60, which is 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes. Now we need to round up this closest time. This closest to hours. So 3:35. 3:35 here, I make me Nazi. I can round up time how much is 3 o'clock some more. 3 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock tiang ka chan is that route timi kan go how 12 1 2 3 nazi pathum ramu 3 hour. Okay, we need to find out 3 to 3:35 nazi pathum and nazi minute pathum le minute som thum la panga tiang se nazi is that route ti achun minute som thum arao. Okay, now we need to look at the hours. The hour is 3. Now we need to add the minutes. 15 plus 35. 10, carry up 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 50 minutes. So 3 hours and 50 minutes. It takes 3 hours